All right, boss up, baby. We at the warehouse on my dedicated auto part run here in Atlanta, Georgia. It's week number 2, getting rolling, getting situated with everything, filling everything out, get my plan, get my strategy, how I want to run this, and how I'm going to train my driver, my employee, to get rolling with this. But having to come here every single day, same time, doing pretty much the same thing, kind of feel like a job. I feel like I'm bossing up too much, man. But how y'all feel? Is having your own independent contract where you can, drop the contract pretty much, and they can drop you at any time. But you got some little wiggle room to who you can allow drive with you. But if you're the one driving, you're the one that want to make all the money. Does that feel too much like a job? Comment down below if you feel like this is just like another job, or do you feel like you're really kind of true self-employment and true, on your way to entrepreneurship? But also with this, like I'm saying, that you can have someone drive for you under your business if you do register and under the contract under a business. Then that way you can have people drive for you and you pay them once the courier company pays me. Then I pay them out. So that way kind of is bossing up. So that's my plan. That's my goal. That's my way to be earning some extra money, passive income, because I am not the one that actually actively driving, but I'm the one that's holding responsibility. If anything happens with my driver, if they run off with, some merchandise, it comes back on me. So I got some faults, I got some liabilities I have to insure for the income I'm making, but all the actual time is not on me. So, that's how we gonna boss up, man. I'm just giving y'all some free game, giving y'all some sauce here, ride along with me, again, with this auto part courier run. Show y'all some things. Comment down below some things y'all want to see, or things, questions y'all got about this. Like I said, the contract route pays a flat fee, so no mileage, flat fee. So in that regards, that's where I got my game plan. I know how many miles I'm gonna go a day. I'm definitely not trying to go over those miles. If I do have to go over those miles, I may have to renegotiate the contract, or possibly end the contract. But we're gonna see. I've got it down to a science right now, and until we get this everything rolling, we're gonna keep our mileage down, baby. Ooh, warming up out here, warming up. Still on the grind. Got my parts way back there in the back. But yeah, we still rolling with the auto parts courier, making this day the best day we can. Rolling, see if we can pick up some other stuff along the day, see if we can pick up some freight runs at a warehouse close by. This other warehouse where mine is. And making this day the best day possible. Still day trading stocks. Keep an eye out on some of my stock plays. There's a lot of things going on. Multiple streams of income throughout the day. So make the day the best day, man. On to the next stop. See you when we get there. At the next stop, scan these parts real quick. Scan the part, bring the part on in, man. It's real simple work. All over again, man. Just make it happen. Right here in Stone Mountain. Cool thing about this, get to see the different parts of the city. Little different restaurants, little different spots you want to try out. It's a cool environment. How you doing, sir? All right. I got a part for you today. And that's the receipt for that.
Saturn?
Yeah, I believe so. All right. Back rolling to the next spot. Gotta go to Snellville. Man, this better not be far. See where we gotta go. Turn this AC on, getting hot out here, guys. We rolling, man. Y'all want to see these ride-along videos? These are ride-along videos you get. Let me know if you tired of these ride-along videos already. And you just want the sauce, you just want to know what y'all hiring and how to get paid, or you looking to see some more things, man, let me know. Comment down below. You know how we get it on this channel, man. I'm here for you guys. I'm here for the people. I'm here for everybody to get paid. Folks talking about I'm just here for views. Yeah, I'm here for views. You know, it's a business for me as well, another stream of revenue. But if the information not valuable, then you guys are not gonna watch, and it's gonna be a dub. So since, you know, views are picking up, means information is valuable. People leaving comments, people saying thank you. So I appreciate you guys for checking me out. And once I get to 20,000 subscribers, I'm gonna do a giveaway, do my first giveaway. Once I get to 20,000 subscribers, I'm gonna give away some gas cards for you guys. So definitely appreciate all the comments, keep the comments going. And probably gonna pick the person who's been leaving the most comments over the past 3-4 months, man. You're showing me the most support, showing me the love, man. I appreciate y'all. Still rolling. Parts. We just drop off parts and go. Probably had my farthest trip about 20 miles round trip. Wasn't too bad. How many miles we at for the day so far? And we still under 50 up, right at 49, 99, 99, 99, 49. So keeping this thing rolling. About to go to lunch after this last delivery. Find me something to eat around here. So I like driving around the city, get to see different spots, find different food places that's not usually on your side of town. Usually all the better, healthy choices are in nicer side of towns like this. So, gonna try this out, man. Keep this thing rolling, baby. Okay, last drop off for today, last run. Let's see what the mileage and time we at right now. So it look like we at 95 miles, 4 hours of actual drive time. See how that's calculated. But yeah, we right at 100 mile a day. But this one is what, mile and a half away. So we are almost done for the day, guys. Real simple, real quick and easy.
In a quarter mile,
route
right
delivery.
On the Road northeast.
Zipping around the city, dropping these auto parts off, easy money. Didn't get a chance to scoop up any other orders today, but it's cool though. Keep this content rolling. Was able to edit and upload some videos and stuff.
Turn right onto Rockford Road northeast.
So we multitasking,
turn left
making
onto
the
Wisteria Way
most
northeast.
out of our day, most of our money, most of our time to boss up, baby. And I think I finally locked down my driver and everything, but still continue to send resumes to fastfleetatl@gmail.com if you're interested in Atlanta in an auto parts courier route. Fastfleetatl@gmail.com. All right, later on.